Impact doors. Miami Beach are essential for both residential and commercial properties, providing unparalleled storm protection and energy efficiency. These doors are designed to withstand the harshest weather conditions, making them a must-have for Miami Beach residents. With a variety of options available, including sliding impact doors, French impact doors, and entry impact doors, homeowners can find the perfect fit for their needs. For those seeking custom impact doors. Miami Beach, there are numerous impact door companies and contractors ready to assist. These experts offer personalized solutions to ensure that each door meets the specific requirements of the property. Whether you need patio impact doors or commercial impact doors, Miami Beach Impact Door specialists can provide the ideal solution. Impact doors. Miami Beach installation is a critical service offered by experienced impact door contractors. Proper installation ensures that the doors function correctly and provide maximum protection against hurricanes and strong winds. Miami Beach impact door experts are skilled in installing a wide range of impact doors, ensuring that each door is securely fitted and fully operational. In addition to installation, impact door repair. Miami Beach is an important service for maintaining the integrity of your doors. Over time, even the most durable doors may require maintenance or repair to continue providing optimal protection. Impact door maintenance. Miami Beach services include regular inspections and necessary repairs to keep your doors in top condition. Impact doors. Miami Beach replacement is another service offered by impact door companies. When doors become outdated or damaged beyond repair, replacement is the best option to ensure continued safety and efficiency. Miami Beach impact door suppliers offer a wide selection of new doors to choose from, ensuring that you find the perfect replacement for your property. Energy-efficient doors. Miami Beach are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to reduce energy costs while providing excellent storm protection. These doors are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Miami Beach energy-efficient doors are available in various styles, including impact glass doors and custom impact doors. For those looking to purchase new doors, impact door sales. Miami Beach offer a wide range of options. From residential impact doors, Miami Beach to commercial impact doors, there is something for every property type. Impact door showrooms. Miami Beach provide an opportunity to see the different styles and features available, helping you make an informed decision. Choosing the right impact door company. Miami Beach is crucial for ensuring quality products and services. Reputable companies offer comprehensive impact door service. Miami Beach, including sales, installation, repair, and maintenance. By selecting a trusted impact door contractor Miami Beach, you can be confident in the durability and performance of your doors.